Now that we have demystified a myth or two around product-led growth, let's have a look at its pillars. Let's start with company-wide alignment. So with the rise of digital transformation and the popularity of digital mediums, customers' expectations, as we all know, are shaped way before they go ahead and even try your product. Each time those expectations that don't align with your offering, customers experience a value gap and end up abandoning it. Product-led organizations avoid that by reorganizing the strategy around the product's mission and vision to improve collaborations across the board and sustain their go-to-market messages across any medium. So when cross-functional collaboration is indeed achieved, marketing teams don't just speak about relevant topics, but they associate those topics into how the product is solving pain points. Product teams, on the other hand, make sure that digital adoption is achieved and build more features by aligning them around the organization's North Star metric. So if, for example, you are an email marketing solution, the product team should work towards enabling users to create campaigns, but in 2 minutes instead of days or many hours. And then we have customer success, of course, and sales that optimize onboarding, enable customers with both tech touch and high touch with the right balance, whether it's an enterprise or low touch account. And obviously, when we talk about enterprise here, this is a very specific requirement, but still the users in enterprise accounts are eventually going to explore a product without previous training. So they will need to be enabled in a more scalable way and realize value as soon as possible. Moving forward in a product-led strategy, the pricing model also differs. A free offering is always available via a free trial or freemium. This tactic allows customers to realize value sooner than later and accelerates the sales process by also downgrading acquisition costs. A product-led growth strategy also invests radically in product analytics to enable product and customer-facing teams understand when users find value or realize drop-offs. However, this is only one facet of the product analytics role. In their core, product analytics can also improve onboarding, boosting product engagements, experimentation, and show quantitative data in regards to what needs to get on the product roadmap, becoming in this way the single source of truth within any product-led organization. Furthermore, the way we evaluate leads and the customer journey also changes, not just by replacing MQLs with PQLs, but also by considering other product metrics like time to value, breadth, depth, efficiency, and frequency of use, and much more, which can be used only when you employ a robust product analytics solution to map and instrument the product journey end-to-end. Moving forward, another element to consider here is product virality, which is achieved when users realize more value by inviting their peers to use the product or by sharing and evangelizing the product to grow awareness within their network. Popular product virality examples are, of course, LinkedIn's with the Connect to Your Address Book feature, Slack's social virality, Intercom's viral effect via the Powered By link on its chat widget, and Typeform's viral link on its form. The benefits following product virality are lower acquisition costs and the creation of an eternal viral loop followed by strong word of mouth. Last but not least, a PLG strategy is also being driven at large from the product's, of course, intuitive features and a systemic product-led onboarding process. We will later on hone into PLO's elements, but for now, your takeaway should be that unlike a standard user onboarding strategy, product-led onboarding capitalizes a lot on historic usage, context of usage, a self-serve approach, and the necessary PLG tool stack in order to drive users from acquisition down to advocacy.